How to make your channel focused on generating AI videos become popular. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the hottest topics around right now. So it's no surprise that many people are looking to create content around this topic. But, if you want to make your channel focused on AI videos popular, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. The first thing you need to do is make sure your content is high quality. This means making sure your videos are well produced and informative. Viewers will only keep coming back if they feel like they are getting something of value from your content. Another important thing to keep in mind is that you need to be constantly creating new content. If viewers come to your channel and find that all the videos are a few months old, they're likely to lose interest. So make sure you are regularly putting out new content. Finally, you need to make sure your content is engaging. This means using creative and interesting ways to present your information. If you can manage to do this, you'll be well on your way to building a popular AI channel. Thanks for watching.